No, no, you ain't giving it up. I ain't give a fuck. I got the gat in my holster, ready to fucking shoot any motherfucker that's trying to get mine. You already know how I ride. 24 inches on a ride, let it spin. Motherfuckers come through. I'm a winner for sure. I'm through the door, 24 packs. You already know I bagged this bitch. I don't know how to act in the club when I step up. Is you a thug or you a G? Fuck it, I don't run to the police, I don't snitch. I'm the type of nigga that get rich off of these snitch ass, bitch ass niggas getting niggas off the street. I'm the type of motherfucker that'll put a hole in your fucking brain, let it leak, let it hit the concrete, let it fucking bring all the heat to me. I ain't give a fuck, I spit the rawest, I spit the dough, I spit from the dome. Motherfuckers, I blow your top off, I leave the shit where the trunk is at, wrapped up, gift up. Leave your ass, send your ass back to your mom's in a shopping bag, in a black bag, in a body bag, stitched up in the 6 feet underground, motherfuckers. You could go to sleep with a frown right now. Yeah, some hard shit right now, niggas. Let's do this. This beat is just fucking hitting my fucking head like, boom, boom. Here we go. I ain't give a fuck, I got a hard life, I'm a thug, I ain't give a shit, I got my money the way I gotta get it, motherfucker robbing bitches, ski mask and the fitteds, hooded up, fucking got the black mag, the black talent, the black tints, niggas ain't really ready when I come through in the hoop or in the coupe, spray your whole team up, leaving niggas